Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your personal information in Salesforce. So if you're logged in as a user, so how you can change your information like name, phone number and address. So those all things we can change them by going to this profile icon, and once we click on this, go to settings. Once we are in the setting, this is the default page on which we get landed to, and here we can change our personal information. So like as you can see under my personal information, this is probably the 6th or 7th option, which is personal information. So from here we can change our name and our only our name and address and our work information. So from here we can change it. So I'll just show you. You can just enter your details, but I'll show you by entering my details, and I'll just enter the phone number, and if there is any other detail I don't want to enter it, so I'll just give here a random city or a random street. Control C V. Okay, the postal code and the country will be US, and company name, title, department, financial services, and division I'm gonna leave it blank, and employee number will be like any number I can give here. So whatever the employee number you have, you can just enter your number here. So please mark this, that these are the required fields. Whatever is there in the red, these are the required fields which we need to fill. So, and from here also you can check that this is the required information that is mandatory. And start of the day, like when do we start our work, so I will make it 10 a.m. and end of the day will be my 6 p.m. Okay, I'll click on save, so that information will be saved. So here you can see your success message that your settings have been saved successfully. So this was all in this video, how you can change your personal information in Salesforce. And for more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching the video. Bye.